Hi guys, welcome to the Twins Take, and right now it's around Valentine's Day. Today I'm going to show you how to make an awesome Valentine pop-up card with just a few craft supplies that you'll love to give around your family and loved ones around Valentine's Day. Let's get started. Okay, so for this craft we're going to need these supplies. One piece of white paper, 2 shades of pink paper, light and dark, a red marker, light pink marker, and a black marker, white masking tape that's thin and small, scissors, and a glue stick. So first we're going to go white piece of paper and our dark pink piece of paper. Several pieces of white paper for this. So we want to make this slightly smaller than this big white piece of paper. So we're going to cut off just an inch off this edge and this edge. And so for the next step, we want probably like a little placemat so we can get a few more pieces of paper. Okay, so it wants to fit just like that on the paper. So there's just a little bit of white peeking out. And we're going to use one as a placemat, and so for this one we're going to lay it down right here, and we're going to take our pink paper and lay it face on the floor, and use our glue stick, and we're going to rub glue all over it, everywhere, and you want it on the sides, and you want it all the way all over. That's why we have a placemat, so we can get it off the sides if we need to. Make sure we get it everywhere. So we really just want the sides pretty much glued, and then we can just do a short little thing in the middle. So then you want to take a piece of paper and get not the placemat, but a real piece of paper, and you need to put it down in the center. Make sure it's all on there. Okay, so now we're going to fold it in half as if we were making a book. Open it back up, and that's going to be our pop-up card like that. So now we're going to get another piece of white paper, and we're going to, so first we want to fold it in half so it's long. The side where it can open up like this, you want to cut off an inch of paper. Okay, so now we have a piece of paper, and we're going to fold it just a little bit in, so just a bit like that. We're just gonna fold it a bit in. And the other side, we're going to fold it all the way into the little line that we folded it on. So there's a little side, you might want to make it just a little smaller, and then there's a long side. Okay, you want to do that, the same thing on the other strip. So we've got these 2 pieces, and the little piece right here, we want to put tape there so it's stuck together. So just on that spot. Okay, now let's do it to the other one. Okay, now we're going to do it on this one. Then where that piece was, we're going to fold it over so there's a little square right there. And then we're going to push one finger on the piece right here, and one finger about an inch away from it. And we're going to push this side down so it makes a little rectangle. just like that. So let's do it to the other one too. We want to make a little trim on both sides so they're the same size. Like that. Okay, so we're gonna make a little crease right there. Just like that, so we have a little rectangle. Now we're gonna get our pop-up book again. And we're going to take it and see if there's any places that weren't glued enough. So like that one. I'm gonna add some more glue there. So now that we've done that, we're going to get our two little rectangle things and we're going to put them like this right on the edge of the paper. Like this. So let's put glue on one side so we can lay it down flat like this. And we're going to put glue on a little part and a big part. You can use your plate smash if you want this. Doesn't get the table dirty. Okay, and you can put it on either side because either side can be top or bottom. So lay it down. So a little bit. So the crease, a little bit, and the long bit is on this crease. So we're gonna lay that down. And we're gonna do the same thing to this side, but to this one, but on this side. Okay, now we can close it up. So make sure the rectangles are not flat anymore. So you can open it up. Oops, I didn't do enough glue on this one. Okay. On it so they get extra glued onto the paper. And then we have scissors. Okay, so now that it's set, we can move it aside and we can get our pink paper. Now you can do this however you want. We're going to cut out a bunch of small little parts, and if you want them to pop out, then you can outline them with a black marker. I think we should definitely do that. Okay, now we're going to cut out all these hearts. Magic! Okay, so now that we have all our hearts, we're going to start gluing the edges together into like an oval. So this is how you want to do it. You want to flip one over, keep glue on just one side, and glue it onto the side of another heart, the top, the bottom. You can do ones upside down, you can do them sideways, you can do them any way you want, you can add glitter. We're just going to keep gluing them on until we've got an oval. That's how it should look. And then with black marker, you're going to write I love you, or an I and a heart, or an U. Okay, so now we're gonna do this as if it were a birthday party. So we want to get our U, set it off the side, and then if it was a banner, we're going to hang it from this pole to this pole. So we want to make ropes that's going to hold the banner up, but they're gotta be stiff for a pop-up card. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna pull just that much tape out, white masking tape, and we're going to twist it up into a thin line. Okay, now we want to make another one to hold the other side up. Okay, so now we've got both, we're going to open this up, and since they might be already sticky, we're going to tape it onto the back of these. And then tape it onto the back of the front. You can even glue it on if it's not working. You want to make it off the ground. Okay, so we've got our tape and we're going to just tape it onto the back. So we lost a little bit of the heart, so we're just gonna glue that back on. Like that. We can even color more if we need to. And then we can write Happy Valentine's Day on the bottom of the leg. And there you go. That's a Happy Valentine's Day pop-up card. So now we're going to need to work on the back. The front of the card. So we're going to do a bunch of heart-shaped balloons. So we're going to make a bow at the bottom. And then we're going to make some balloon stringers go way up. Okay, and then we're going to do some red hearts that aren't colored in it. And then with this pink, we're going to make some highlights right here. Okay, now we're going to color them in. So you don't color the highlights, or you can if you don't want anything. So now that you've colored those in, you can draw some clouds. And then you can draw two, you're going to make it two, so two. And maybe someone special. There, so there's your Valentine's pop-up card. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and tell me if you want to make any more arts and crafts. Bye!